Need a convincing argument to get a 3D printer into your home? Or better, need to stop your wife from throwing it out? Show her this. This is my lonely toothbrush, always in the wrong location, because where it belongs to is always overfilled. In Switzerland, you literally need the landlord's permission to drill a new hole. So instead of asking for permission, I designed more space around what's already there. While I was at it, I went full in. There's now more space for guests too, because why not? This is what a 3D printer is actually for. Subscribe, there's more where this came from.